My name is Martin Platt and I am co-founder at Ambasat. At Ambasat we are launching very tiny low Earth orbit satellites into space. So this is our Ambasat kit. I'll show you what you get if you purchase one of these. You get the Ambasat badge, you get your rocket launch certificate, and you get your instruction leaflet. And then inside the kit we've got the actual satellite itself, the programmer, the solar panels, the sensor and the power supply. And with that you can collect all kinds of different data, for instance CO2, temperature and humidity, GPS. You can also configure your own types of sensor, so you can do your own kind of readings. So here's our Ambasat launcher, and we get 200 Ambasats in here. In each one of these trays we fit 4 Ambasats, and this is an example of one of the trays. That's how the Ambasat fits inside.
I'm Nathan, I'm an engineer for Ambasat. My standard day is I spend half the day sticking things together, soldering them to specification, testing, troubleshooting, and then the boring stuff sat in front of the computer for the rest of the day, like actually registering the devices, dealing with technical support, notifying customers when we've sent them the product, and just helping whatever way I can with anybody that gets in touch. I went to Herwith Comprehensive. From there I went to Darlington Technical College. I studied automotive engineering for several years, 3 years, 4 years. Went to university with the Open University to study psychology, of all things. From there I was approached by Martin, who was looking for an engineer, and it turns out I'm better at this than I thought I would be.
In terms of the skill set that we use here on the technology side, so we're doing hardware engineering, we're doing software engineering, we're doing coding, we're doing embedded programming. Those skill sets I think are absolutely future-proof. They are going to be needed more and more. It's just a completely future-proof area to be in.
There's so much potential for the Ambasat 1 alone, and we just want to help provide the platform for people like us who daydream and have ideas. We want to give them the platform to build upon those ideas without spending hundreds of thousands of pounds with NASA or like SpaceX. We want to be accessible, make space accessible to everyone, essentially. Got a lot of clients and customers that buy these things who are wanting to launch them independently, so they've got more freedom to build upon the platform we've given them, and that's absolutely what we want to encourage.
The journey for setting up Ambasat has been tremendously exciting. We started with a Kickstarter project. Having set up businesses in the past, I know how difficult they can be, and I've failed several times with those businesses, but one thing that I've learnt in life is that you've just got to continue if you want to succeed. Have your dreams and be focused on them, and you'll achieve them, I think. One of the reasons why I'm running my own business and building my own business is that it gives me the ability to be in control of my own destiny, really, rather than working for somebody else. There's a lot of risk in it, and it's not easy to do, but if you work hard at it, then I think the rewards are there at the end of the day, and you're doing something that you really enjoy doing. I'm doing something that I really enjoy doing.
I don't think there should be any pressure on 16-year-olds especially to choose a career path at that age. There's no need for that pressure there. Just relax, do what you do what you're doing now. If you're passionate about something, that's going to drive you. That is your incentive to get into what you're going to get into, because that's what you do.
I think if you're 12 or 13 or 14 years old and you know what you want to do with your life, you are very, very lucky. And if you do, then follow your dreams and go for it.
Just keep doing what you're doing, not what somebody's telling you should be doing, or the way you're being channeled. what you're already doing in your own time that you're passionate about is what's going to drive you forward. Keep doing it.
If you know what you want to do, go for it. Don't let anybody put you off. You know, what you dream, you can really do.